This is the 2003 Honda Civic, and you can see this old positive battery protector here. Battery terminal protector is all broken and it doesn't cover anything. So I'm going to pull that thing off, and we're going to put a new one on that I got at the Honda place. Okay, so here's the new battery terminal. Let's open it up and see what we got. Aha! Looks like this. So we have to figure out how this goes on here. Looks like it fits. So how does it go on? Wonder if I have to take the terminal off to get it on. Okay, that's there. So we figured out how this works. What I did was I looked at the old one here, and the old one was on like this. Okay, it came off like that. So I looked at this new one, and the new one, so this is like this. So here's the old one, how it came off, and this is the new one right here, and it goes on like this, and then this cover is going to fold down. So this will go on. This came off like this, so I'm going to put the new one on like that. So what we're going to do is slide this underneath here. Don't have to take the cable off, actually. And just like that. Then this is going to go up in here. Snap on. Okay, this is going to snap in just like that because there's a little clip on there. And then this is going to go down here, and bingo! Look at that. It's perfect. How great is that, sweetie?
Nice.
What do you think, Donica?
Looks good.
Looking good. Hey, makes the whole engine look better, doesn't it? I think so.
Finishing touch.
Finishing touch. There you go. So that looks nice. Works perfectly. I just learned something really amazing. This is the rod here that holds up the hood when you open it up. And if you look at it, this is amazing. There is a piece of insulation on here at the exact spot where this positive terminal is. And I'm sure Honda engineered this so that if this thing ever fell down and hits the positive terminal, it's insulated. It won't short it out and ground it out and destroy your electrical system. Very amazing.